Ladies and gentlemen, today I am on a mission. A mission to make you and all the viewers watching my show jealous. Because I am going on a world tour. But for that, I'm not catching a plane. I'm catching a plate. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, get ready because I am going to take you on a world tour filled with food. You name the country. Italy, China, Germany, USA, and the food will be on my plate. Stay tuned. It's going to be one hell of a world food tour.
Yeah.
A world tour is like the to-do thing before you die. Who doesn't want to experience different places, cultures and locales? But topping that list of a world tour, it's got to be food. I can bet my job if anyone would cut out food from a world tour. And because most of the time a world tour is a distant possibility, get on board. A world tour can soon be on your plate. Chefs for Charity is an exclusive food festival bringing to you some of the world's best chefs right here in Namma City. The primary reason this festival happens is to donate all the proceedings of the event towards supporting the underprivileged and to make a difference to the world through food. The organizers feel when there is an opportunity to devour and donate, it's an offer you will never refuse.
Well, it is, so the idea is to do an act of good, but to find a delicious way to do it. And that's really what Chefs for Charity is all about. So it's about sharing. It's the whole concept of, bringing together good people. I think most chefs are great people. And so when you bring 20 of them together and you get them to invite them to showcase 4 of the signature dishes, you've got 80 signature dishes. Now, that's an offer that you just can't refuse. And I think the icing on the cake is when you come here for an experience like this, you walk from stall, from pavilion to pavilion, tasting any one of the 80 dishes on offer, tasting all the 80 dishes on offer, and you do so with the satisfaction, knowing that every rupee that you paid for that donor pass goes towards a wonderful cause. So I think it was a whole, we thought it was great food, great people, and that's the whole idea.
This year, the proceedings were directed to an orphanage called Sneha Nilaya, which takes care of orphans from all ages. The head of the orphanage and a few of the students from Sneha Nilaya were also invited to the event, which made it all the more special. Now hold on there, don't be mistaken. This is not any food festival. If you are really wondering about what sets this apart from the rest, how about variety for starters?
The best part of this event is there's not one particular kind of food. Like you would have seen, there are 20 of the best restaurants in the city that have come together for this special cause. So you have a restaurant like ours at the Ritz-Carlton Bangalore, which is the Lantern, which is serving amazing dim sums and Chinese food. Similarly, you have various other restaurants wherein you have the North Indian food, you have South Indian specialities. So it's under one roof, one good cause, and you have various cuisines that you can eat into. So that's how it is.
Did you hear that? Unlimited food options and a sucker for food is totally a combination to sweep a food festival.
This is a really wonderful, unique event. People are eating with the food and really giving the charity to the really deserved children like underprivileged. And we are 65 children. They really deserve this help. They all go to school and really it is a wonderful and is amazing. Really it is very nice.
So as the saying goes, after that big vacation, it's always nice to return to your home sweet home, and in this case to our dal chawal. But what a time we've had at a place where everybody had one mission on their mind: devour and donate.